sticking. Go get snow. Go catch some snow. Look how big those flakes are. Look. Get it, get it. Try to catch one.
I catch one. It's water, Daddy.
Yes, it melts and turns into water.
Hey, look, it's coming on the jacket in my nose. Hey. Okay. Woody. Get down now. No, snow down. Get on my finger. Oh, give me. Look. Ah. He's done.
Palm trees and snow. Look at all that. None of it's sticking. But it's a lot of snow. Imagine if that's stuck. That's real. I can't believe that. I said it would never snow here. Oh, now it's going away. Because the rain didn't last forever. Just like that, it's gone. Wow. Just like that. Look, no more. No more. Turn to rain. It's all gone. Hope you had fun while it lasted. No more snow. Oh well, thank God anyway. It was fun. Okay, bye.